Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSCK Trading Academy. Guys, in this video I'll be analyzing Aarti Industries. Well, Aarti Industries for now it looks bullish. I'll tell you the reasons. You can see here I have plotted two indicators, that is 200-day moving average and 50 moving average. So this 200 moving average is in pink color and 50 moving average is in blue color. Now you can see here whenever the stock has hit 200-day moving average, it has bounced. Can see here how 200-day moving average has provided the support, and at every time it touches 200-day moving average, or every time it is approaching 200-day moving average, we can see some buyers coming in and pushing the stock up. Now the same thing we can see yesterday. You can see here we had a very big candle here. And you can see here from 200-day moving average, the time it reached almost around 200-day moving average, it has reversed and closed as a bullish candle. So this is first sign where I found out that there are some bulls standing here at 200-day moving average. Now what next? How to take a trade? Guys, here you can see the other important thing, the price had also closed above 50 moving average. So you can see here whenever price has closed above 50 moving average after bouncing from 200-day moving average, we have seen a good rise here, right? This has closed above 50 moving average and you can see how the rise is. In the same way, if you go back, you can see here again at every time it has touched 50 moving average, it also has provided support, and the time it has bounced from 200-day moving average, once it has closed above 50 moving average, we could see some momentum on the upside. Now here in this stock, once it crosses above this high, let me mark the high. I'm taking the high of the candle which has closed above 50 moving average. This is the point. Once it closes above this, in daily basis we can take a long position, and in case it again falls down because it has closed below 50 moving average, in case it retraces back, then you can create positions again once it is bouncing from 200-day moving average. So at 200-day moving average you can create your buying positions, or in case we see a close above this high, that is 1245, we can go for a long trade. For the targets is the resistance, what I'm marking, that will be the targets, that is 1272, 1287, 1320 and 1365. With these targets we can take a long position once it closes above 1245, and as I said you, in case it drops down to 200-day moving average, wait for a reversal pattern, and from here we can again create a buying positions, provided the prices have sustained above 200-day moving average and it has started reversing. Right, this is the simple analysis what I have on Aarti Industries. As I've said you, don't complicate your analysis. The more you complicate, the more confused you will be. And guys, please subscribe my channel if you are new to the channel, and if you are enjoying watching my videos, give a like. Any doubt you have, you can drop a comment. I'll try to solve that. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.